I know.
What?
Doing a good job? Did you miss a bit over there? Good boy. There's a whole house to do yet.